Have you ever wondered about how long it will take to get monetized? Well, that's what I'm going to help you answer today. I'm going to start by giving you my plan for getting monetized, and then I'll show you what you can do to reach your goal of monetization. I'll also give you a bonus tip on how you can make money before you get monetized. If you didn't know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized. My plan for getting monetized is pretty straightforward. I'm going to try to post once a week, which is equal to 4 times a month. And here I'm going to do all in my power to try and stay consistent, because I know consistency is key. I'm going to study my statistics to see whether the viewer clicked off and how many people clicked on my thumbnail. I know I'll get better at video creation the more I do it, so I just have to post and post and post. My goal is to get a lot of quality as well as quantity. There is no in between, so I'll just do my best to include both. I suggest you go with the same plan as me, but you may make a different kind of content that I don't know of, so it may take longer or shorter for you to make a video. In addition to following consistent posting schedule, there are other steps you can take to increase your chances of reaching monetization. First, make sure your content is high quality and engaging. This will help keep viewers interested and increase watch time. You can also promote your videos on social media and collaborate with other creators in your niche to reach a wider audience. This is hard to do when you're just starting a channel, but when you hit 100 subs, it may be possible. Anyway, how long can you expect to post for before you get monetized? Well, it's not as simple as it sounds. The short answer is, it depends. It's important to note that the time it takes to reach monetization can vary greatly. Some people achieve it in as little as 7 days, while others take a year or even several years. For example, it took Mr. Beast 2 years to reach 1,000 subs, and probably longer to reach 4,000 hours of watch time because it resets every 12 months. What I mean by this is you should be patient, keep going, keep posting videos, and before you know it, you have 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time, and you're ready to start receiving those fat paychecks. Maybe not, but you get the point. My prediction on when I'll get monetized is before August, so in July. If it's August when you're watching this video, scroll down and see if I hit 1,000 subs. If I didn't, I'm a loser. Now for the bonus tip on how you can earn some extra cash before monetization. And you probably guessed it, it's with affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can get a link, and it's basically just you promoting an existing product or service. And every time someone clicks on your link and puts in their email or buys something, you get a commission. Affiliate rates vary from anywhere between 5% to 25%. Affiliate commissions can be very different depending on the industry you promote in, but generally 20% is seen as a fair commission. When you're monetized and you start receiving money, you can start to outsource tasks like video editing, thumbnail creation, and scripting. You can pay for this with the AdSense and affiliate commissions you make from YouTube, and that can increase production value and quality. This leads to more views, subscribers, and of course more money. You can find freelancers to hire on platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. These platforms are highly trusted, and you won't get scammed and lose your hard-earned money. If you want to make money on YouTube, you've got to have a high video quality, and to get that, you may want to consider watching this video where I explain how you can achieve it. Get out of here.